The story of the solitary heart and of the dreamer that lives within us all. Lost on a painted sky, where the clouds are hung for the poet's eye. You may find him if you may find him there on a distant shore, by the wings of dreams, through an open door. You may know him if you may be as a page that aches for a word, which speaks on a theme that is timeless, and the sun God will make for your day. As a song in search of a voice that is silent, and the one God will make for your way. And the journey of the dreamer continues, one that is painted on the canvas of the heart and must be taken alone. Lonely looking sky, lonely sky, lonely looking sky. And being lonely makes you wonder why, makes you wonder why. Lonely looking sky, lonely looking sky. Lonely look in the sky. Sleep, we sleep, for we may dream while we may one more day, one more day, one more day. Those lazy tides, sweetly how it seems. Rally charm at the sight of your silver wings, yeah. Skybird, Skybird. Nightbird, find your way on that lane, knowing just as you may. Seek out your harbor of light, Nightbird. Yeah. Make your song be heard, songbird. Yeah. Rally each heart at the sight of your silver wings, Skybird. Fly, fly, fly. This is our 50th anniversary tour, and for a lot of those years, this band has been with me. I would like you to meet them by name. Please give them a nice, warm Sacramento welcome. My band. That's Maxine Waters and her little sister, Julia Waters. Maxine, what do you say? You got something for us? A little tune?